Here we go. Palmer pops one out there, but you've got a 384.0 for Steve Torrence. Torrence lights the scoreboard, 320.81 miles per hour for your 4-time world champ. Oh, here we go. Paul Lee giving it a ride. Full 394.0. Paul Lee. You could see that thing was trucking. 407.1 for Matt Hagan, 462 for Jeff Deal. And you've got a new #1 qualifier. There is a race within a race. It is qualifying. You want to lay down a strong pass right off the trailer. Build upon it. Each one of these guys getting off the starting line very well. But Greg Anderson looking really strong down there. 663.7 Greg Anderson, your new #1 qualifier.